The voice is visible. Sorry, audible.
Yeah,
Yes, but
yeah,
you're not talking.
Okay, okay.
yeah, I'm
You're
adding some
just
code.
okay.
So
But
leave it
you said
on.
it's done, no? Now.
Yes, yes. But I added some more code here. It is not required.
So this is not required. Then you have pushed this to your branch, and I can see this code in the PR as well. So what does that do now?
Yes, sir, but I added this code only in user control.js.
Hmm. Okay. So this is the user controller we have, and we register username, full name, and all you are accepting. So tell me one thing, what are all files you have created? Okay, let's go with the register API. Just show me the register API from start to end. Okay, from where it
Uh,
is starting and where it is ending. Okay.
yeah. First, I created the register API. Here, I followed the MVC architecture. Here, M means model. In this model, we are using the database schema. We are storing all the database related things. And view means whatever we are seeing in the user interface. That is the view part. It will done by the React.js people. And the C means controller. Here in this controller, whatever we done in the backend, or whatever we send the request from the people, and we receive the request from them, and then we send back the response. All those data codes will be logic will be written in user control.js. In this first, I created a new file called user control.js. In this first, I install some of the things like bytrip.js. Why I'm installing this bytrip.js means here we are made a condition that if we store password, then that password will be in decrypted way. If we want in the password as decrypted way, then we will use the decrypt JS. We have to install decrypt JS.
Uh, yeah, yeah. Devika, let's go to the code. Okay, let's understand the code. Okay. So I think we all know the libraries and all, but what you have written, can you explain you that?
Yeah, yeah. Understand. Like after that, I imported the user model because of that database, and then I am taking the register user and request and response. Whatever the statement which is given in the database, I am taking the full name, email, and password, and it will take in from the request of body dot response. After that, in try block, I mentioned the password. Here, I am using the bcrypt.hash because I am mentioning here password means here 10 times. Here 10 means here the salt round. Salt round means whatever we are taking, it is filtering the hashing the password in 10 times so that we can get a unique decrypted thing. After that, I store it in the user model DB by mentioning the new user thing. In that, I am taking the full name as the same thing, but password should be in decrypted way. That's why I'm taking the hash password. After that, I'm storing this thing by using the same method. If it is successfully registered, I'm taking it as the user registered successfully. Otherwise, it will go into the catch block and it will say the registration failed and it will do the exact error what the error is. I written the entire logic here. After that, I created the router for this by using the file called user router.js. In this, I'm importing the register user from the user controller. After that, I'm creating the API for this by using the register API. After that, I'm connected this into index.js. I unfortunately written all this code, but only I imported the whatever. like this thing. Uh, I imported the app.user rotor. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. So there are few things, right? Like Devika, which we have to arrange. Okay. So we have this service file. Okay. We have to use that as well. So what exactly service file, the service folder do? Okay, basically. So can you go to your user controller? Okay. Let me tell you what you need to do in the user controller. So this database operation, line number 9 to line number 13, not 15, okay, 9 to 15. This particular part you need to do inside the service file. Okay. There should be a function inside a service file, and there you have to do database operation. Any thing related to database query and all, you have to have it inside the service file, and that you have to call it here. Okay. That's how it should be. So you have done all the things in one function only. Okay, but we have to arrange it in a way that it should go to the service file, or the database operation, all the operations related to the validation or something which is required for the API, that should go here. Okay, so now you are getting full name, email and password. Okay, so now tell me one thing. Okay, uh, just see the chat. Okay, just see the chat. Can you see the chat?
Yes, sir.
What I have typed in the chat, can you see?
ABC at the rate 123.
So this is the email I am entering. So will your code will say that this is a wrong email or not?
It doesn't say anything, sir.
It will not say, right? Why it will not say? Because we don't have the proper validation. So those validation should be present here. Okay. And for the password, let's say I say one. Okay. Only one I have entered. So should it be allowing one as a password?
Exactly.
No, right. So password should have a limit like 8 to 12 characters. Okay. That too, one caps, one small, and these kind of things should be there. Okay. It was not mentioned in the story, but as part of API creation, you have to do the validations. Okay. So first thing is validations are missing. Second thing, database related operations should go into the service file. Okay.
Okay.
సార్
And
Okay.
yeah, Sunita.
సార్ రిలేటివ్స్ వచ్చారు సార్
Okay, Sunita. Bye bye.
సార్
Devika. So what I was saying is, first thing, validations are missing. Second thing, database operation should go into the service file. Okay. And before you create any PR, you have to make sure that there is no unused code. Okay. In your case, now you see index.js, how messed up it is. Okay. You have the unused code, and the imports are wherever it is, like it's not in the format. You go into the index.js, I'll tell you where exactly the index are not formatted. Go to the line number one. Okay, so line number one was line number three earlier. Express.js I was added, then the chords, then the connection DB was there. Now you have added the model. Okay, user model you have added. So you will you add it at line number one or after wherever the exports are ending, which is line number 9?
Okay. I got it.
You should not go to the line number 1. Okay, because we have already said that something. Okay, because in your code now it is mismatch. Okay, if you go into the other branches or main branch, the code will not match. Okay, main branch has line number 3 as first line, but you have something else on line number 1. It will create conflict. Okay, that's the reason. So you should not update or do anything else. Okay, you just need to add the code after it, not change the before lines and all. Okay, so
Okay.
this will go away. Right now let's delete it because you don't need, right, this line number 1 and line number 2. Can you delete this 1 and 2? Just do control X twice there. No, you are removing 3 line number as well. Control X, line number 1, control X. Yeah, that will be fine. And tell me about this. What is line number 10 do? And why you have
Yeah,
added there?
but yes, I
It's a
made the
import, right? It's a import, right?
yes,
So what is the line number 8 do? 8 is a variable app. After variable creation, you can't import it. Everything imports, whatever import should be there, it should happen before variable creation. So this is not valid. Line number 10, you should not do this at all. And line number 13 also, it should not be there.
all this will be there in user controller.view.
No, that is fine. That is fine. What I'm saying is, right now where you have imported, you see that app.use you are doing at line number 11 and you are importing at line number 13. So import should be on top every time. It should not be after you use the middleware. After that, you should not import it. This is very wrong way. So delete this line number 13 as you don't need this. Do you need body parser?
Uh, for the main, like in Postman, when we are things clarity or clearly, we can use the body parser.
But no, I don't think so. We use body parser for that. Okay, why we use body parser is when you do a post request, you need the body whichever is there inside the post request, that to come here in the your controller. Okay, which will not come basically when you use body parser, then only it will come. But you don't need to use body parser as a package. Like express.js by default has its own body parser that you can use. Okay, so I don't think so. You can uninstall this body parser, okay, and remove this line number 10 and 11 both, right? And can you remove this like commented code whole thing, whole commented code, because you don't need, right? You already have it. You have removed something. Okay, guys, it's not only for Devika. Okay, it's for you guys as well. Okay, so I'm telling everyone here. So you need to be make sure what you are doing. Right, save it.
So, like here, it is showing like red colors. Like when I know why it is showing like red
No
colors.
idea. I can't hear you properly. What you said.
Like when I am removing some things in the code, it is showing in red color. Remove lines like that.
But what is that red color means?
I am asking for like
Removed
why it
line,
is
it's
showing.
saying. So it's just a Git extension. I am thinking it's just tracking the changes, nothing else. It's red color not means that error. Okay, every time.
Yes, body parser we used when we used to post into the database, right?
Right. So you need the body details. Okay, for that I am telling you, line number 13 is enough. Okay, line number 13. You see what we have in the line number 13. Express.json. Okay, that is enough
Yes.
to do that. You don't need body
Okay,
parser
okay,
separately. Okay, so that's what
okay.
I'm saying. Express.js by default has it. Okay, and can you do one more thing? Line number 13, inside the JSON, right? Put a curly braces and write extended colon true. I think it's extended URI. Let me check. No, it's correct. Extended true. Just write that way. That's it. Okay. So with this, you are good to go. Okay, you can test your API and you can do that. And also, why I'm feeling this app.use line number 1920, that is fine. Line number 6, after that, can you give a one space after line number 6? Two spaces, okay, enter. So that you should know if whenever you want to import it, you should come at line number 7, okay, not the line number 11. We should have this, okay. You can save it now, this
Okay.
one. And can you create one file in the service folder? User service folder, service folder. I mean, yeah, user service. Acha, tell me one more thing. The models. Did you create any model or Manoj has created earlier? All the models. Manoj
I
created,
didn't create any.
right? Okay, okay. And dot env, can you open once? Dot env. I just want to check what we have here over there. Hmm,
Manoj,
Manoj has given
DB
this.
URL.
Right. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to the service, user service. Okay, and create a function. Manoj, you are late, Manoj.
My laptop is
I was in my
Yep. No problem. What happened, Devika? Any problem?
my laptop got stuck.
Oh, okay. Just do Control Shift Windows B. That will restart the drivers. Control Shift Windows B. So Sunita was the main person today because she is every time she creates the PR, I see the conflicts are coming. Okay, so I just wanted to show her that, and you guys as well, how to make sure that you don't get the conflicts. Okay. Hmm.
సార్ మీరు చెప్పండి నేను రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను మేడంకి పంపిస్తాను.
Like I will start once this Devika's code is done. Na? We'll start that. Hmm. Acha, Manoj, tell me one thing. Database, have you added the movies already? How many movies you have added?
yeah, around 5 to 6, I think.
5 to 6. Okay. So I forgot one thing here. Like we should have a image column as well
Yeah,
because we need
image
the
and
image.
trailer rewarded.
And no, not the
Uh,
trailer, but image is fine actually. So let me tell you where you will get the image URLs as well. Okay. So
yeah,
right. Okay. Yeah. So it should not be user service, Devika. Okay. So it should be what operation you are doing. So what do you want to do here? Add user. Okay. Add user or register user. It's up to you. Okay. And in this add user, you copy paste the same code what you have in the controller. Okay. Not the whole thing, only the database part. Okay. 9 to 15, I guess. Line number 9 to 15. 15. Cut and paste it over there. Paste. And the important thing is you should have try catch block everywhere in every function. You should not miss that. See, the reason we are having service file is now you created add user. We can reuse this multiple places. You are missing async at line number 1. Huh. And should it be params? Shouldn't be full name comma email comma password, hash password. I mean. So this is good start. Okay, Devika. It's not like terrible. It's a good start. And once we have a boilerplate, no, next time whenever anyone is creating the API, they will easily follow this. Okay. And yeah, let's do one more thing. Line number 14, can you console that error? And it should be like how we should console, I'll tell you. Okay, just do log. Yep. Take a boilerplate, double quotes, write error in add user, comma, like after double quotes put a comma, and error. Okay, so with this what will happen is if any error occurred in this function, it will tell us where exactly the error is. Okay, so we should follow this convention everywhere. So now you see here, go to user controller again, and one more thing, sorry, service file, export this function, you have to export it. Not there, not there. No, 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 no. Go to the
Module
bottom.
dot
Go to the bottom. There is a curly braces in the bottom. You have lot of spaces first of all. Can you remove line number 18, 19, 20? See line number 25. Those spaces, can you remove it? No, no, curly braces is needed. Don't remove the curly braces. Huh. Now line number 24, you can go and export this. Okay. Yeah. And now you go to the user controller and import this. Okay. And one more thing we are missing here, user model you haven't imported here. That will give us error. Acha, tell me one thing, guys. Have you ever used class in JavaScript? Anyone? No. Yes or no? Say, guys.
No, sir.
Yep. That's fine. I'm not expecting you should do. Okay. I'm just asking. You can tell. Model, I guess. It's not showing intelligence over there. Yes,
system.
it is showing. Okay. So should it be user model directly, or it should be inside the parenthesis? Is it default export or not default?
It is not default, so I created now.
Oh, no, no,
It is not an
no, no, no. User model is there, right? Is it a default export or not? That I'm asking. So should it be in the parenthesis or what? Okay, right,
isn't
all right.
valid.
And you go to user controller now. Line number 2, remove it and import the add user now. Okay. Service, user service, right. Okay. Now line number 9, you can put await space add user, and you can provide all the things inside: full name, email, and hash password. And it should not be sorry, uh, it should be parenthesis, I mean. Yeah. All right. Yep. Now it looks fine. Okay. So you are following all the folders now. That is fine. And okay. Can you do one thing? Can you show, are you using yarn or npm?
NPM Ceramic.
So can you scroll down? Like, is there any reason to use that npm? So there are, are you using npm, pnp, or yarn? There are three questions now because I see all the files in your code. Why you have pnp log yaml?
Sorry to interrupt.
Yep,
Actually, I am missing PNPM.
pnp. Let's use common thing, guys. Yarn. Let's use it. Is there any
Yes.
problem?
No, no, sir.
No, right? So let's remove package JSON. Let's remove PNP log, both files.
Yes,
Delete.
but when we remove package.json, it will remove the entire installation. So it will
No,
happen like
I
that.
didn't. I can't hear you sometimes. I don't know why. It's it like my headphones or your headphones. I don't know. What did you say?
Can I remove?
Packages?
Yes, sir. When we remove the package.json, it
I
will
didn't
remove the
told. I didn't told to remove the package JSON. I told package logs.json. Package
entire.
JSON we not we will not remove. Okay. Yeah. Delete. Right. And now here in your terminal, do yarn space install, and you have to remove uh, body parser in the package.json. We should not need that. Click enter. You know, right, how we can work with this. Actually, you don't have a yarn. Kya? Okay. Npm install space yarn hyphen g install. Okay, yarn space hyphen g. No, space. After yarn, you should control C. Can you do npm space hyphen g? Enter.
I didn't use Yarn earlier, so it
If
was
you
not.
didn't use it, it's good. Okay. Now do yarn space install. Why it is not coming? Just a second. About policy. Acha. Scroll down little bit more. Can you copy this whole error from the yarn file something, right? Copy
Yes, sir.
and go to ChatGPT and paste it. It will give a one command to you, and let's use that command to activate it. You guys have time, right? The session will go little longer as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Scroll down. Yeah. Copy this command. First one set. Copy and paste it in your terminal. This will work in our laptops only, okay, not in the company's laptop. Now you do yarn space install. Yep. See, it is working now. But okay, so let me tell you the commands. Okay, if you want to record it, like store it somewhere, I am putting in the chat. Installing package yarn add. It install, right, everything.
Yes, sir. Install. So can I know the difference between why we are using the Yarn?
Because it's faster and it will tell us, and it will install only the packages which doesn't have vulnerabilities. What is vulnerabilities? It's a security issues. Okay, if there is a security issue in the package which we are installing, it will allow hackers to hack our product very easily. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, so copy paste this command in your wherever you want to put, but use it this way. Now package JSON. Can you open package JSON? I want to see if we have body parser over there. If we have body parser, yes, we have it. Can you do yarn space remove space body parser? Enter. right? It will remove that, so we are good now. So now you can push your code. Okay, and now I will go and approve your PR. But make sure from the next time you should not have the commented code, unused code, and it should not mismatch your code with the main branch. Okay, what I mean is the sequence should be proper. Okay, where you are importing, where you are creating variables and all. Okay,
Okay.
all right, yep, you can push your code, I'll approve, then you can merge it. Okay, so
After
now
merging, I will do login, right?
can you come again?
After merging the code, I will do the login. Login.
Guys, can you hear her? I can't hear.
No, the
Yeah,
voice is not clear, Devika, from the starting.
Like, after merging the code, can I again do the code for login API?
I can hear you like after merging the code. After that, it's not clear. It's the
And
third time
I
I will
will
hear. Put it in the
login
chat.
API.
Let's put it in the chat. Okay, instead. It's okay. Okay, let me share my screen. You put the message in the chat. Okay, presenting now. Let me know, guys, once it is visible. And do you see the Scrum board? This is the Scrum board, guys. Okay, what we can see here is in the project section, in the organization project section, we have underrated Scrum board. Okay, so what does Scrum board do? It will be there in the real time, like the companies and all. Okay, so what does it will do is it will track our progress, basically all the not yet started tasks and who it is assigned to. You can see here Vishnu and Manoj, like API and all. And if it is in progress, if it is completed or not, it will track these things. Okay, basically. Yeah, I think after merging the code, I'll write the login API. Yes, yes. After you merge the code, then you create a new branch and do that. Okay, that's good. Okay, right. So here I have tracking this. Okay, so I just want to quickly check. So React Rotterdam was working fine. Creation of image slider. This I haven't seen it. Okay, so Suresh, you have to move this to the testing phase. Okay, I'll test it, then I'll put it in the completed phase. Okay, can you do that for me?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and these are two completed. Okay, I'm good with that. And creation of header and footer, this is Sunita's task. Okay, and I don't think so it's completed or anything. Okay, I don't know why it is in testing itself, that I'm confused. And where is Leela's task? Leela, what you are doing? I forgot.
Login and registering.
Oh, okay. Login, you were doing login page, right? And register page.
Yes.
Did I not created the task here? I don't remember it. Oh, here it is. No, acha, you okay? It's not assigned to you. But what is this? Login page added. Added login page with controller input. Did you created this task, Leela?
Yeah.
This is a PR. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot. Sorry. Delete from project. Delete. Okay. Hmm. So this task should be assigned to you. Then only you have to do the task. Okay. If the task is not assigned to you, you should not do that. So let me assign. See, so once the task is assigned to you, okay, if you are doing it, you put it into the in progress state. Okay. If you have completed from your side, you can put into the testing. So this thing you have to do. This is part of your task. And if you are having any issues and all, you can ask us in the WhatsApp group, or you can put the comment here. Okay, that you can do. And let me see if it is working. Yeah, you see, if you do @ and you will see all the list here. And if you want to ask question to someone, let's say this, I am having trouble doing this, need help. Okay, so if you do this, this comment will going to send to that person's email. Okay, so they will notify this. Okay, that is also there, but make sure you are doing this in progress testing. Okay, for sure you have to do that, so that we can track it here. And about the PR, let's do this PR thing. Okay, now you see, whenever you are going to create a PR, you see this particular thing here. There are three active PRs. Okay, if you see number one as well, you should not allow to create any PR until unless that number turns into zero. Okay, so you see here there is one PR, so I should not create a PR now until unless this PR becomes zero. It means completed, then only I should do. Okay, so here you see there are three PRs. Okay, one is add error boundary, which was already completed long back, but it is not pushed due to this conflict. I don't know what happened to Vishnu, why he didn't complete it and informed us. Okay, that's the first thing, he didn't inform. Okay, and login page, Leela, you have added, but you haven't checked that we have already PRs here. Okay, and what is this feature name by Sunita? See Sunita's thing. You see here how many conflicts are coming and why it is coming for her. Okay, let me tell you. She created two branches at the same time, one for footer task and one for header task, and she completed it, both of them at once, and created the PR at once. Okay, it means simultaneously it's coming. Okay, so footer PR doesn't have the code of header, header doesn't have the code of footer. Okay, that's why she is getting these much conflicts. Okay, so yeah, we'll see how we can resolve it. First we'll go to the error boundary task. Okay, let me check out to this particular branch. I'll show this one, and Suresh, you can record it for her. Okay, it's, yeah, git checkout, and this is the branch I want to check out. And once we check out, we have to do a pull, git pull. All right, it's fine. And now we are getting the issue with yarn, right? Why we are getting the issue with yarn? The thing is, once we pull, right, like suppose I did some changes. Okay, I pushed it to my branch. Okay, get branch, if I do, this is the branch. Okay, and I have pushed the code into this branch. Now what I have to do is I have to do git pull origin main. Once I do this, see, it will show automatically merge fail conflicts, merge conflicts in yarn. Okay, and you see here, over here in the merge changes. Okay, in the merge changes, is it visible to you guys? Merge changes, it will show what is the problem here. Okay, see, somewhere here it will show like this, head is this, and we are getting this incoming changes. So this bottom blue color is incoming, which is coming from the main, and the above changes are from the head. Head means the current branch. Okay, so we need to resolve what we want. Okay, so we can just click on the resolve this editor, and we will say what changes we need basically. Okay, so incoming changes we want, the current changes we want, or both the changes. Okay, so what we can do here is accept all the, so how do I show you guys this one? Accept all changes from the left. Left is something incoming from the main branch. Okay, you can see branch name over here. Okay, I'm doing this mouse thing, and this is accept all from the right side. You can see right side changes are this. Okay, so as it is the log file, we can go here. Okay, directly from the current branch. Okay, and once it is done, just click on complete merge. Now you see all changes are done, and now this feature branch does not have these changes inside this, because the pull from the main branch was not happened. Now it happened. Now I'm good to go. Okay, if I say now git status, you see all are added. I need to do git commit -m merge from main branch. This commit we have to have it, and then git push. All right, so now it pushed the changes. Let me go back, and now you see it is checking and automatically resolve the changes, and it's showing here. Okay, now I can click merge, confirm merge. Right, so error boundary task is completed. and you see number is 2 now. We have login page and the feature page, this one. This is supposed to be done by you guys, okay? I am showing you now. Next time you got the conflicts, you have to only resolve it. And Sunita has so many conflicts, okay? So she need to make sure what she is doing, okay? I know everyone are learning, but if I show once, you should not forget it. That's my this thing, minimum requirement, okay? Get pull I'll do. You have to check out to main branch, pull the code, then check out to another branch, okay? Whichever you want. Now this is the branch. Do git pull again so that code should come, okay? All like already up to date it. Now we don't see any merge here, okay? Because we have to do git pull origin main. She haven't done this thing again. Now you see conflicts are coming now because git pull origin main you guys are not doing. That's the reason the conflicts are coming, okay? So again, same thing guys. See here, this is saying deleted. Why it is saying deleted? I have no idea why Sunita has deleted this file. Let me add it. We need this keep our version, and should it has the changes. Keep their version. Are you sure you want the conflicts? No, it has conflicts, right? So what are the conflicts here? This is incoming. I see both are same. This is both are same. You can just go and check any of them and complete merge. And here, what is the thing? See, now here, we can't just go to the editor and say that we need upcoming or this. We need to resolve it by hand, okay? So here we need footer and header, both of them. So what I'll do is I'll first remove this headline and this equals to and this particular thing. This here. And footer is not here, guys. See, now we have to add this. I don't know why she deleted here. No idea. All right, hope this is fine. Now I click on plus and the merge is resolved, okay? And yarn, oh god, I don't know why this is coming from the yarn every time. That's why I don't do this, okay? What I'll do is I'll put package lock and the package yarn lock inside the git ignore itself, because this we have, right? Whatever latest packages are coming, we need the latest packages, okay? We should not restrict to the old packages. Yeah, I think this is fine. Any doubt, guys? Now tell me. And you see, package JSON is still there. That should be there. Sorry, I thought it's logged JSON. What is the problem here? Oh, okay. Any questions, guys, on how to resolve the conflicts?
No, sir.
You you understood, right? You understood, right?
Yes, sir. Understood.
All right. Now see, done. Merge complete. Now, so, Leela, what you need to do now? Okay, you share your screen. I'll tell you what you need to do. You go to your login page wali branch and pull the code from the main. Share your screen first, okay? So that we can see. You have one change. Go to source control, left side. Left side, left side. One number you can see. Source control, you will say there.
Yeah.
Source control. Okay. Click on that. Login. Do you need that?
I should delete it.
Just undo that. Okay. That's it. From the left side only, there is a undo button.
Yeah.
No, no, not the left side. Where is the left side? Changes. That
Here.
back button. Click that.
Add button.
Back.
This one.
Discard. Changes. Right. Do it. Oh, okay. Can you save this file? Again, it will come, I guess. Overwrite. Do
So
overwrite. Undo again. Discard, I mean. Okay. Yeah. In the terminal, just pull the code from branch. Main branch. No, what you're doing, I didn't get you. Do the code
no, no,
later. No?
no. I'm deleting this line.
L- Can you do it later?
Okay.
Yeah. Control Z. Control Z. Yeah. Fine. Can you pull the code from main branch?
Yeah.
No, you have to
So,
save it again. You have to discard it again.
okay.
Huh. Pull the code from the main branch. Right. So you have conflicts in merge changes. Sorry, app.js. Can you open app.js? No, not here. That is also fine. Okay. So you see what the changes you have. So you added your login over there. Okay. Remove line number 5 now, because now you need all the files here. Okay. All the imports you need. So you should not accept it incoming or the current changes. Okay. You remove these things and you are good. And no spaces, guys. If you are importing, no spaces. Okay. Line number
Okay.
5, 7, 8, remove it. Those spaces should not be there during the import. All right. All good. Save it.
Okay.
Okay. Left side. Left side. The
Yeah.
drop down. Uh, no, bottom. Bottom. G. You can see G over there. Below that app.js below. Auto you see there.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. G.
Click on that drop
Graph.
down. Minimize that. Now you see full code. So app.js merge conflict is resolved. You click on plus now. Yes. Plus. Okay. Click on this packages and what we have added. Click. Okay. I should do one thing, guys. Everyone do this. Okay. Go to extensions.
Extension.
Git lens. GITLENS. First, click first one.
Install.
No, no.
Should
First,
I?
click the. No, no. Don't click install
Okay.
first.
Okay. Okay.
This is the one. Now click install. Okay.
So,
What does it will do? Okay.
yeah.
Trust publisher and installer. Button, blue button is there. Click it. What it will do is it will tell you who did the change in your repository. Okay. Go back to app.js. There in the
Okay.
middle. Click on any line. Now you see here. It's saying your name. No, you are hovering it. You can't see the change. Wait. Let me tell you where I am showing. Line number 5 at the end.
Yeah.
2 days ago login page. So it will tell who did the change, when did the change, and what is the commit. Okay. Line number 3. Can you
Okay.
put that your line? Just cursor. Put your cursor over there. Click. Now see. Suresh did this change. 5 days ago and set up React router DOM. So that's the comment. So with this extension, you will know who did the change, and you
Okay.
will know who is messing up with the code as well. Okay, you got the point,
Yeah,
all
understood.
of you. Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what you have to do, Leela? You have pulled the code from main. You have resolved the conflict. Now you have what you have to do.
Now I have to raise the PR,
No, you have to push this code.
push the code. Yeah.
Commit the code, push the code into your branch only, then the PR. Okay.
Understood. I should commit.
You have to save the files first. You are not saving it. You see, app.js, there is a change I can see.
Okay.
The white dot I can see. Now do that git status first.
So why it can.
Control C, do it. Yep,
Okay. Git status. Okay.
yep,
Now I should commit it.
yes. What do you have to commit? Message,
Match.
because merged
Yeah.
from main branch, because you are merging others code to your branch. That's why
Okay. Merge from
main
main
branch.
branch.
Enter git push. Right now you can go to your PR and see if the changes are up to date and are you having any merge conflict. Okay, Lila, go to
Okay.
the GitHub and check.
I'll open the Git.
Yep. So it's saying I need to approve it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
I'll approve it. Submit. Oh, you have to log in. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Put a space sign in and it will be done, right?
Sorry.
Nothing. Continue. Okay. So you go and complete your PR. Okay.
Okay, I'll
It
do.
is done. I have approved it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, now we need to decide what we need to do this week. Okay. Okay. Let me share. Okay. Leela, you stop sharing.
Yeah.
And tell me one thing, guys. Have you ever tried uh, your typing speed? Anyone?
Yes, sir. I tried.
How much?
Around 32 RPM
32
per minute.
WPM, you mean?
Yes, sir.
What words per minute, right? Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyone else?
Sir, I tested long back ago and I
Oh,
get 34 WPM.
good. Okay. So I'll tell you guys typing. Hmm. So you can take your test, okay, online, and you can practice your typing skills, okay. Based on your typing skills only, you can make the coding faster, okay. You have to think faster. That's the one thing. But if you want to type quickly and you know the code, and you are not fast enough, so it will definitely take time, okay, guys. That's what I'm saying. Try to practice your typing skills on online typing.io or something. Some websites are there. You can check over there, okay. Now let me share my screen. Uh,
ఎవరు
right.
వచ్చారు మీ అన్నయ్య వాళ్ళు ఇద్దరు వచ్చారా
So let me refresh
ఎవరు
this.
పెద్దోడా చిన్నోడా
Register screen. Did I not assign it to Leela?
Yeah. You have assigned to me. So. Um, I, I have done already, but
No, it should be in a different branch you have to do once you complete this PR, right?
yeah, that's
And
why I'm waiting.
yeah, okay. So guys, you understood it. Once you see zero over here, okay, pull request zero, then only you create a PR. If you don't see a zero over here, whoever created this PR, ask in the group, okay. And if you are going to create a PR, put a message in the group that I am going to create a PR. Anyone are creating? Please wait for me until I create it, then merge the code, okay. Or you don't need to type everything, okay. You just say I am creating PR, that's it. And which PR you are creating, you have to tell I am creating front end PR, that's it. Whoever is doing after that person need to go merge the code and then create the PR. Are you good with this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So register and this done. Footer creation, I don't
So
know what will
both
happen.
is assigned to
Someone said
Leela.
something. It's Devika. Yeah, Devika. Typing. Okay. Register API. What is it? Is assigned to. Oh, did I? Acha, this is backend. Oh, sorry. But no, this is front end, right? I am correct. Where I did assign to Leela. Like API, get API, login. Who is this? Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that. Let me assign to you. So you are doing without this, Devika. You have to follow this. So let's target this week, guys. We should follow the process. Okay. Don't forget. Yep. You are doing it right. In progress, it's there. All right. So I think we are clear, and I'm expecting this week should be very smooth without any conflicts. I'm thinking. Okay. And Suresh, you said you will forward it to Sunita, right? Please do it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This creation of images is not assigned. Who was doing this? Suresh, you did it, or Vishnu did this? Get the
Make
movies
list.
data from backend to show the movies list, show the movies images, year rating. So what is this? Do you know? This is the new task. Okay. So let me tell, and let you guys decide who will do this. Okay. DB. All right. No. If I show that, it will be different. This is the screen. Okay. Let me edit this. Put this image here. Right. So this is what I need over there. Okay. So this is a this task about. So do you think Suresh you can do this? Right now you don't need to get it from the backend. Okay. The movies you have to hard code it in a array or in a JSON file, and then you have to do it. Can you do this?
Okay, sir.
Is it looking hard, tough?
No, sir, but hard coded means. Can I take API, sir? Other TMDB API.
Mm, no, I don't think so because that what do we say? Uh, you can take it for now, but later it will be little difficult. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So fallback UI footer. Oh my god. See this I don't want, guys. See component footer and header is directly outside. It's not inside a folder. Suresh, can you tell? You have to tell this as well to Sunita. You have taken her responsibility. I see. So you have to say this front any folder you like any file you created, it should be inside a folder. Footer should not roam around in the components folder outside.
Okay, sir.
So carousel, no image slider. Huh. See this one over here. You did or what happened to this? Bhai? All right, can't help it. Okay, see this you have here, right? All 5 or 6 images here. Like this way, you create a array of object. Okay, in the movie component, this one, and have all the things, image and all. Okay, how do you get the image? Okay, just say, let's say, what is this? A Minecraft movie. Okay, IMDb. Search with IMDb at the end. Go to images. You will find the first image as the main image. Okay, so this is the image we want. Okay, so if you see here, the same image we have. Or what you can do is you can just go this way, go here and copy this image from here. Not like this. Somewhere the image will be. You need to find it.
Okay, sir, I'll
Should it
find.
be? Yeah. Okay. But this
And
is the good way. Okay,
what
direct
else the
search and you
things
will get.
under the image, sir? Rating, title.
Rating. This 5.9 or whatever. This is star and this is star should be there. Okay, and we don't need to do this. Okay, if you click this, it's coming, right? We don't
Okay.
need to do this. Okay, you don't need to do this. Someone else will do that. Okay, and integrate. And a Minecraft movie title and show time. This, you, if you want to do it, you can do it. And trailer the same way. We don't need to show the trailer. Just have this buttons. It's a good thing, right? And this plus button, you should have this. Okay, same design.
Okay.
I want same design. Okay, guys, because I want to see how you are good at replicating the designs.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So this task goes to you. Manoj, do you have any task? Backend, we have one task for you, like API.
Yes, sir.
You have to
Like
follow
API.
these things. Okay. All the things you have to follow. Let me create one more task. Right now, 26 is the last number, right? I guess. Yes. 44026.
I'm not able to open the Git, Elias. It's coming 404 error.
Which Git you are opening? Let me give you this one. The earlier one, it was coming. Okay. 404. This should not come.
Okay.
44024. Uh, Register API validations. Check if the full name is correctly formatted. Also, it should be 20 characters. What was the other thing? Password. Okay. Password validation. Minimum 8 char, max 12 character. Should have one caps, one lower, one special character, and one number. And this cell going to the Devika only. Okay, Devika, you have to do this as well. Whenever you are ready. Okay, I'm just assigning to you. Whenever you are ready, you can do this. So I guess Devika have all the things. Okay, like task for the week. She can complete that, and the same thing you do for login as well, Devika. Okay, make sure the validation should be there for login API. Get movie list API. Manoj, it will for you only. Okay, as you already created API, I guess, right? For get all
Yes,
images.
sir.
Yeah, but there are a few things you have to make sure. Okay, we have to get few things from the API. What are all things we have to get is movie details. That's the first thing. Okay, let me add it here. Things we need in the response. Movie details. How many likes and dislikes movie has, rating of the movie. Rating of the movie. Should I say rating of the movie or no? I guess this is fine. So likes and dislike you have to get. Okay. It will not be in the movie column, movie table or collection. It will be in a different collection, but you have to do something. So you should have the count as well, dislike and like count. Okay, that
Okay,
should
sir.
be included. And I don't think so. There will be a validation, but let me create one task which you can do. Okay, 27, 28 JWT implementation. Okay, can you do this JWT implementation?
Yes, sir, I can.
Right, that's the only thing I can say. So this project we are doing for the practice, guys. Okay, so later we'll do a bigger project so that you will have more tasks. Okay, but let's try to complete this. I'll say right now. So
So
okay,
can we,
Devika. Sir, whenever I
whenever
am open the GitHub register API, even though I deleted it, showing the register API code in index.js. Okay, let me go there. File changed. Where you are seeing? I don't see it. Where are you seeing?
can I share my screen here?
Yes, please go ahead. Mm-hmm. That's a red color, right? You have removed it. If it is a green color, then you have to say that. Where it is? Why I can't see this code? Click on file changes. VN request one. That's the one, right? I'm seeing file changes. You see over there option. Scroll up. Huh? File changed. Scroll up. Scroll up. You are going down. Scroll up. File changed. 9 over there. Can you see there? Commit checks file change. Click there. Scroll down. Do you see the change over there? No, right? Then you are good to go. Just click on go to above. Scroll up. Click on conversations. Beside commit. Scroll down and merge. Merge pull request. Yep, commit merge. Yep, control like sorry, scroll up completely. Click on the code on the left top code. Open index.js and check. Are you still able to see that? Do you see the code? No, right? You're good to go. That's it. All right, let me share my screen again. Okay, you can stop sharing. So for backend people, we have the task. Okay, Manoj and Devika. And for front end, are we good? Suresh, do you have like you have enough task, right? Or you have only one task?
I think one task only, sir. Image list.
Okay, and it is not assigned to you as well. I'll assign you now. Let me see if I have any other task, and this error boundary should go to completed state because it's done. Front end task where it is gone. Header done, image slider, image list, creation of footer done, login screen, register screen. Okay, there is a movie page. Okay, that we'll do later. Then after that, there is only integration task we have. Yeah, I think we are good to go, Suresh. So tell me one thing. I can assign you the tasks, but it's up to you how much time you will take to complete it. Okay. You uh, did you got it? Let me show you what you have to do again. Okay. IMDb, and let's open any movie. Okay. See this one here. Okay. Not the trailer. Okay. But name and the details and all, this image over here, and this particular detail. Okay, like I'm not expecting you should do this one. You can hard code these values, but at least this description we should have it. Okay, and these things. Okay, IMDb rating, rate, and over here, somewhere around here. Okay, you should have the like and dislike. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll just draw the things. Pencil. You should not have this. No, no. Got it? No. And here we should have a like and dislike. Okay. And I can type. All right. Mm, all right. Any questions, Suresh? Acha, can you see anything on my screen? Cross and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Acha,
Yeah.
you can see. Okay. Then let me take this screenshot then. This movie screen you have to do. Uh,
Sir,
Magic.
actually, the same poster only need to be there, sir.
Yes, yes. This poster only. Only this. Right. That's why I told the get that poster from the IMDb website itself. Okay, whatever movies you want, and Manoj, add the movies. Okay, in the database, at least 10, 12 movies, and get the images from here only. Okay, just
Okay,
do
sir.
this. Open, copy image URL, paste. Should open the image. No, it's not opening the image properly. But you have to get it from the Google only. Okay, the images. And it allows no. What was the last task? I forgot. Number 48. Movie screen. Show movie details. A button to rate. Okay, and what else was there? Dislike the movie description. What else? Movie description, and that's it. Okay. All right. You can take this, right, Suresh? Right.
Uh, so, but I have a doubt.
Yes.
In this case, when I'm seeing it is shown as two floors, but when I'm clicking the full request, it is shown as three floors. I don't understand it.
Mm, let's go to your screen and check. Okay.
Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. When I'm when I'm seeing this
Hmm.
issue, it's
Hmm.
been showing us two flows,
Correct.
but in pull request, it is showing us three flows.
Correct. So see, pull request, it's saying pull request closed. Issue, it's saying issue is closed, right? There are two issues are closed, three pull requests are closed. That's a different thing. The task
Okay.
is cannot be closed until it is tested. You created your register API, you put it into the test. Okay. The status. Can you open the scroll down? Click on your register API. Here,
Now can I?
in progress. Okay, it is completed, you put it into the testing. When the task is done, you have to put it here. Okay, now I'll go and test it. If I test and everything is working fine, then I'll put this into the completed state, until unless it is not completed. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I think we are done, guys. Anything, like, anyone have any questions? No one?
No, sir.
So yeah, all right. Just pull the code and follow the process. That's the only thing I want. Okay. If we need to connect tomorrow, then we will connect. Or else will not. Okay. And Suresh, forward that to Sunita. Okay.
Okay.
And also Vishnu as well. Okay.
Okay.
Possible. Yeah. Because he's not there today. He said he has exam today. Okay.
Sir, I didn't
So this
get Vishnu's contact.
So you can get it from this, no? WhatsApp group.
Okay.
All right.
so
Anything there?
before testing, also I will write the code for login API, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And also you have to do the validation. Don't forget the validations. Okay.
Okay.
Means, shall I do the registration?
Right, you did the login, right, Leela? So
Yeah.
I have to test it. Okay, I haven't tested that. I need to
Okay.
see everything is working fine or not. If there is issue, okay, I'll create a bug and assign to you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, till that
Okay.
time you go ahead and do that. Okay, we'll do the testing it later. Whenever I am free, I'll do the testing. Okay. And validation is not only for backend APIs, it is in the front end as well. Okay, Illa. If I enter one and one in the email and password, and if I click login, if it is login, then it's an issue. Okay.
Okay.
If I register with 1111, every field I put one, and if it is allowing, that's wrong. It should not do that. You should have the validation in front end as well.
Okay.
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 Yeah, keep in mind and complete your task, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You can drop off, guys.